question. Nope. Focus. I can't. I'm gonna get suspended if I say that. The ladder. What up? Oh shit. What up, Mr. Oliveira? That's funny though. Hold up, let me get the like counter up. I'm back from suspension. Sorry I'm late. Hold up, like counter should be good now. There we go. Okay, don't work. W streams, educating and entertaining. Thank you very much. I do my best. I do my best. What do we need today? 500 comments won't happen. 800 diamonds won't happen. We might be cooked today. We might be fucking cooked today. And I only got a fucking tier 1? No way. Okay, no, we got tier 2s. Sweet. I don't give a shit about that. How are we all? What's good, Speedy? Where are you trading from? Brisbane. Sunny Brisbane, as you can see. Many suns. No, that'll do. And then I think we have everything sorted. Everything sorted. What's the rainbow? It's a light stick that's actually there behind me. I'm lucky I only got a... Yeah, no, it's reflection. It's a reflection. So light stick's like right there. And it's just the reflection. Yeah, it's alright, you're not the only one. I get it a lot. I get it a lot. The song sounds... I was about to say the word that got me suspended. So let's not do that. Please and thank you. Did you send me something, Speedy? I actually can't remember. What was that? No, you did. And I saw it, I just didn't reply. I was on the phone when I saw it. But that's good. That's good. I did have a scan over it and everything. But yeah, I was just on the phone. That's fucking a lot, dude. That is like a lot. Like, you've been absolutely killing it. So good job. 2.2k likes already. Obviously, Megs in Charles Oliveira Burner's already up there. What are you trading? Forex? AU? Let's have a look. Oh. Good job. I'd be looking at getting out of that, to be honest. If we can break this level, we got lots of room. But there's a few things I'd be concerned about, but getting down here would be nice. And then I guess you got that level. this mini support that we could bounce off of, but we might just flop around here. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But if not, we got some room. We do have unemployment tonight, so. How long have you been trading for? 4.5, almost 5 years. I have $40. What should I buy? My mentorship. I've got one on as well on AU. Are you short or long? You're probably long, eh? What up, Sienna? How are we? Tommy, oh, what up, Xander? How are we? What's going on? UJ, still? Yeah, we're just grinding down. You can't get out of that yet? You couldn't get out here? Man, I'm surprised. There should have been outs here. You should have gotten out there. Oh, you're only $1.90 down. How the fuck did you not get out up here? Do you trade meme coins? Nope. What currency pair? All of them. What's good, Harry? How are we? Fucking hell, I missed a lot of comments. TJR is my mentor. Unlucky. You're good? That's good. Good to hear. You're getting edged by TP. Just take it out if it's close enough, because we might get a reversal around about here. Potentially, yeah. What the fuck was that? I don't even know. Yeah, just take profit. Just play it safe. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what your position size. I don't know anything about it. Chill Whale. It's good to see you back. Thank you very much for the heart, me. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Which year, in your opinion, was your hardest to become profitable trader? The first year, 100%. First and second, very difficult. Because you just get sucked into all the internet bullshit where you don't know what, you just don't know. You don't know what's real, you don't know who's legit, who's not legit, you don't know what information is correct. 10 fucking TikToks. Thank you very much, Chill Whale. That's fucking super nice of you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. But yeah, first 2 years were very difficult. I've got sell on AU, currently down 190. Oh, you got sells. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, right, okay. Maybe you're gonna sell here, or maybe down here. I don't know how, but yeah. 4 finger hearts, perfume. Bro's going fucking crazy. Thank you very much, Chill Whale. I appreciate that a lot. I really appreciate that. Being a small streamer, 2 friendship necklaces. What the fuck? Holy shit. That's really nice. Thank you. I'll come back to that in 1 second. Let me just catch up on chat. Do you trade meme coins? No. I have though. I've fucked around. It was fun. What strat should I use trading NASDAQ? Opening range breakout. Best mentor, me. What's good? What's good, Chill Whale? Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Never mind, I got full TP. Mad. I said that. Tom, why don't people want someone else to have success? Jealousy, mostly. I'd suggest jealousy, probably number 1. Yeah. I don't know what the emoji is, not coming up. I'll send the trade in the chat of your Discord. Matt, all right, sweet, cheers. We're trading Forex. Matt, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. Thank you, bro. Wishing you more wins and success this year. Thank you also. Thank you. That's very kind of you. I appreciate that. Palasuki, thank you very much for following me. MLB, is the best decision you've made? Is trading the best? Absolutely. 100 fucking %. Thoughts on trading gold? I just don't like it. I don't know much about it. It doesn't align with any strategies that I've learnt work. So yeah, I just don't like it. But if you can find a strategy that works, go for it. I'm in your gift gallery. I didn't know what that is. I'll have a look though. Check Discord chat. Will in a second. I just got to catch up on this chat. Any video recommendations to get into trading? If you're brand new, go onto my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and then there's a free course video to get you started, and then do the Baby Pips course. And ask me anything. Ask me anything. I'm here. Fuck, we're breaking through. But this might just be like a trying to find liquidity and then fucking come back up. We'll see. Maybe a break and retest. Could be interesting. Just found out all my mates are lying to me. Jesus, how? Why? What happened? I want to know. Hello, him. Follow. Thank you very much. We're getting some followers. We actually just broke 2.4k followers, I think. What are you trading on? MT4. My broker is Blackwell Markets. Are you living off trading? Yep. Have for a while. TTV. A Kag. Gingy. I like the name. Thank you very much for following. Get your followers to fill your gift gallery. Ah, right. Yeah, I think I've seen it before. I'll have to check on here. I don't know. Gift gallery. There we go. Let me click on it. Oh, yeah, true. Oh, that's kind of cool. Wait, so I just need a hat, mustache, 6 hand hearts, and 5 hearts. We can do that. That's easy. Do I get anything for completing this? I don't know what happened. Bro, how have they been lying to you? That's fucked. But thank you, Chill Whale, for filling this shit up, man. That's fucking sick. Yo, what up, Rye? Thank you very much for following. What pairs is that? This is Aussie dollar, US dollar. Is it very profitable? Yes, but it takes time. It's not a get rich overnight bullshit that you see on the internet. It takes a very long time. When did you start trading? 4.5 to 5 years ago. I just shared my profit with one and he got all upset because he ain't making it. Yeah, it's just jealousy. What's your bias on NQ? I don't have a bias, but I can look. The market's not open, so... Did we get to all-time highs? Nah, not yet. Well, the thing is, it really depends on what happens tonight. Unemployment and PMI. So, I don't reckon there'll be any directional bias. And I think it'll be quite slow on open until PMI comes out, in my opinion. And then we'll just wait and see where we go. Depending if unemployment's colossally fucked. We'll see. But yeah, I don't think there'll be any directional bias until we get some news confirmation, and then that's when the whatever move will happen. So yeah, I don't have a bias at all. How much you made today? I haven't taken profit on anything, but I have a lot that I can take profit on. I'm just kind of letting them run at the moment. Forex, MLB. Yeah, probably he pulling everyone with him. I'm just laughing because of this. Yeah, just fucking let them do their own fucking thing. Who gives a shit? I should just put this here. I'll put it there. But Chill Wow, bro, thank you so much for all of that shit. It's fucking insanely nice of you. Caffeine. Oh, fuck, I cracked this like an hour ago. Bro, I swear you always come in here and say the randomest shit. White chopped chip and raspberry muffins. I don't know. I don't think I've ever made muffins. I made a bunch of cookies, bunch of brownies, no muffins. One guy was honest. He said to me he had my back. Then he dropped a sign he is with the other. Then he dropped a sign that he is a little jealous idiot. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm trading gold on plus 500. I know you said you don't like gold, but any advice? I'm not the guy for gold. I don't know how it reacts to anything. You know, I've spent a little bit of time on gold, not very much, and I just don't have the experience in gold to be able to help you out with anything. A hat and a mustache. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. So we're gonna be update. Bro, let's fucking go. Chill Whale has like cleared everyone out. That's fucking mad. Oh, should I battle? Should I do a battle? Now that you're in here, you're obviously gonna pull weight. Should I do it? Yeah, so sorry about the gold. It's not my thing. Do you want me to battle? Chill Whale? Is it Forex or is it like Forex? What do I tell you? Forex. It's the foreign exchange market. If you're new to trading, just go on my Discord and watch the beginners video. It's like an hour long. What's the best hiking shoes? Jesus Christ. Hey Sarah, there's nothing wrong. He's new. It's all sweet. We all started somewhere. Yeah, he dropped some signs. He is with the other guys and told me he was not. Well, fuck him then. Get rid of him. How many years have you been trading Forex? 4.5 to 5. I started with Forex. I tapped into indices a couple of years ago and I've been trading them for a couple of years, but right now I just don't like it. So it's very time consuming, especially with what I'm doing with the community and shit. So still make money from Forex. I was just making more with indices, but I'm just canning it for the moment to focus on that. Hydro, thank you very much for following me. How many years have you been trading? 4.5 months. No joking. Everyone will run away again. Yeah, I know. How boring was that? I'm just gonna play dumb with them. Yeah, do it. I appreciate it, bro. I'll check out the Discord. All sweet. No stress. It's free. So, what's the best Chinese restaurant? Bro, I'm not Google. Alright, a couple of them are funny. Oh, true. So when you light up your gift gallery, so if we get all of these, if we light up the gift gallery, we get like promoted. I think we need to do that. I never asked for donations, but I want that. MMA Richie, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that too. Thank you very much. I think we flare early. We've got a few people up in here. Oh yeah, Michael. Nice. Is that 2 lots? You sold 2 lots. Fucking hell. Is that demo? Fucking hell. Nice. Good job. Great job. And then, yeah, your other one was fucking... You killed it on that AU one, the 608. Fucking oath. Great job. We got 40 people online in the Discord. That's the most I've ever seen online on the Discord. That's fucking sick. We're growing slowly but surely. Okay, you get megged. You got megged. It's got to be a point. It's funny, but yeah. Do you live in Australia? Yes, Brisbane. How much did you make yesterday? I think I did 0.5% yesterday. Aussie or Kiwi? Aussie. I need to put a thing in here. Like, I need to put a title up here or some shit. Because I'm looking for connections in the US. I need some US people. I'm talking to someone tomorrow. I got a meeting with this guy tomorrow who's, I think is like LA based. So that'll be interesting. See what happens there. Guys, I'm so fucking sick, I tell ya. I'm sure you all know that I'm not a complete sellout by now, right? Like, nah, it's not broken. That I'm not a sellout and I'm not like gonna, you know, I get all these offers all the time from people, even though I'm small, like I'm a small streamer, I don't have a big community, I get all these offers, man, and it's so annoying, like constantly crypto people offering me money and shit, and it's like tempting, but I'm not selling out, and it's fucking frustrating. And you can see why so many people, like, man, just being in this industry recently, you can really see why so many people go the sellout route. Oh, Migsy with the finger heart. Thank you very much. You should be here now. Hold up. There you go. Thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you for the likes. I bet you're fucking up there. 2.4. Jesus Christ. Thank you. No, have they fixed the likes? We're at 13K already. I think they've fixed the likes. Yeah, I think they have. Unfortunate. Holy Jesus, Discord spamming. I'll have a look in a second. But yeah, you can see why people are just, they just fucking take the offers and all this shit, and I'm just not going to do that. Yes, it's probably going to delay me being in my McLaren by the end of the year or the start of next year, but it's just so disingenuous to do that shit. You have connections? Do you actually? I want like LA, Vegas connections. Just people. I need to know people over there. Do you stream at this time every day? At 5:45 p.m. I go live, 5:45 to 6 o'clock, but I got suspended yesterday at 7 p.m. so I could only go live at 7 p.m. today. No, my chat's not broken. I don't know why do you say that? Oh, fucking hell. My fucking nose. I'm 16. Should I start trading now to learn and start at 18? Yeah. Yeah. Good. Think about this, right? So I've been doing this for 4.5 to 5 years. Let's just say 5 years. You start at 16. You're going to be done. You're going to be at my level by the time you're 21. Right? I'm 26. You're going to be 5 years ahead of someone like me. By the time you get to my age, you'll have 10 years experience. Bro, you'll be a fucking... But the thing is with people that are younger, you have so many distractions. Like there's just so much shit going on, and you know, you find things that you like and that you don't like, and you got social to start. It's very hectic. So if you can focus on something like trading for that long, do it, because it's worth it in the end. Just focus on education. What market sessions do you trade? All of them. It doesn't matter to me. I'm in positions all the time. When I'm trading the indices, it's just London and New York. Michelle, what up? Thank you very much for the heart, me. Fuck, my nose is so itchy. Don't sell out, bro. Stay original. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It sucks because you get thrown offers here and there. They're like, fuck, that's decent money, but just not going to do it. Hey, mate, how do I join your mentorship? The link's in my bio. So at the top link on the link tree, that's where the mentorship is. And when you join, just hit me up and we'll try and get in a one-on-one call as soon as possible. Because I like tailoring everything to your needs and how you trade. Fucking hell, Discord is absolutely going crazy. I have to just turn it off for a second. It's going fucking nuts. If you're not in the Discord, get in. Come talk some shit. Ryan, thank you very much for following. What exactly do you need to reach out for? I'm going to go over there soon. So I just want to know some people over there. It's nothing crazy. I just want to know people, meet up with people, shit like that. Maybe some traders from over there. Everyone wants Will Gibb to promote their stuff. Yeah, I know. It's fucked. It's like, bruh. What are we at on this? Where's my TP? The fuck? 117. Fuck you. Fuck you. Why are you not zooming in? Fucking VPSs, man, they're so slow. It's not a big TP. I'm just gonna go for last week's low, and then we'll... I like this. I like this spot. Yep. Are you trading the 15 minute candles on the opening session? 5. With my, I use an opening range breakout strategy, and I use 5 minute candles. I need this to stay there. What am I doing? I need that back on M5. See, I don't like that. Well, Speedy, you still in? If you're still in here, are you still in AU? Oh my god! I thought I was on my other fucking account. No, that's not New Zealand, okay. Fuck, what was that? What was that? What the fuck did I just do? Oh, it was New Zealand or US dollar. Fuck, I'm an idiot. Fuck, that probably fucked a lot of shit up. Oh well. Oh, I'm gonna have to fucking deal with that later. going to fuck off, do some shit. Got some shit to do. See you later, Xander. Have a good one. Take care. Fuck all your other shitty mates. Get rid of them. Is there a way to trade with using fake money? Yeah, you can use demo accounts. So it's basically real money, but not real money, real live conditions, but fake money. So yeah. And I recommend everyone do that. Holy shit, the Discord. Hold up. It's getting fucking hot, but I want to leave this on. So, aircon's going on. How do I mute notifications right now? Notifications. I fucking don't know. There we go. Turn that off. Hopefully, Jesus. Hopefully that fixed it for the time being. Holy shit! Why do I have so many notifications on here too? Fuck, I will get back to it's busy. Everything's fucking popping off. All my shit's blowing up. Jesus. And then fucking Discord notifications didn't turn off. Mute channel. Alright, there we go. Holy shit! Yeah, so MMA, demo accounts. Looking at them. Nice. How do you use it during the... How do I use what? During London and Asia session. What do you mean by that? C5 resells? We are pumping. Fucking oath we are. Is this gold? Nope. Forex. This is actually gold, but let's get rid of that. We were talking about gold before. I don't trade gold. How's the bot work? Does it place trades for you? Sorry, only new to this. Yeah, it does. Yeah. It'll get you in and out, but you can modify your positions and you can adjust it to however you like to trade personally. So there's lots of customizable options. But still has the same core strategy built into it. Fuck me. No thesis. However the fuck you pronounce that. Thank you very much for following. What up, tennis? It's been a while. How are you? Sorry, I gotta catch up. Check out NTCL. I don't even know what that is. I'll check it out in a second. Remind me. Gold has just dropped like a lead balloon in the last hour. Yeah, it has, nothing too crazy, but it's definitely going for a little ride. It's gonna boom. Alright, have a look. And they have money prizes for top traders. What? Your other message mustn't have come through, tennis. Just check. I don't know what you were. Just try and resend it, maybe. I don't know. Maybe TikTok filtered it or some shit. What's the platform you trade? I'm from Portugal. MT4. I use MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4. And I use Blackball Markets for my broker. Very new to day trading. Like I know nothing about it. How to start. Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Yeah, I got a free course. LG Elliott. I also have paid mentorship where I work one-on-one with people and all that shit. That's also linked in my bio. Go watch the free course first. It's in my Discord. Links are all in my bio. So go get stuck into that. And then, yeah. Also do the Baby Pips course if you want. But it takes a long time. There's a lot of shit in there you don't need. But yeah. Mr. K followed, thank you very much. Huey followed, thank you very much. We got so many followers already. 18k likes, we're pumping today. We're absolutely going crazy. How much have you made? I'm the, Google me, world's first trillionaire trader. I was referring to demo account. Oh, okay. Really? What? Who has that? I've never heard of that. LG Elliott, thank you very much for following me. What pairs does the bot work with? All currency pairs. You can use it on other instruments. However, it's a mean reversion strategy, right? So what a mean reversion is this is a great example, right? Let me just get rid of this for a second. So you see all these levels, right? They revert back to their mean a lot of the time. So you get extensions, you come back to your mean. You get extensions, you come back to the mean. It's always coming back to around the same spot. And that's what currencies do, right? Then we come down and it's just grinding away, grinding away. And we take positions at extensions like this. And then you get these big whopping great drops, which is okay, that's fine. We get big drops like that, and then what happens? We come back to a level that it likes trading at, and then institutions will push it back up to a level that they want it to be at. Continues to trade, we get an extension, you know, we get in, and then we come out, we take profit. We don't get greedy. We don't try and take the entire fucking move. We just get out with small amounts of profit each day from extensions, scale in when shit goes wrong, like something like this, right? And we get in here, keeps going. We get in here, keeps going. We get in here. Eventually, you know, our break-even level is going to be like down here. We got our take profit up here. We just capitalized on this. We just got fucking, we just made a shitload of money. Bzz. So with trending, so currencies work great for mean reversion strategies, which is reverting back to its mean. What doesn't particularly work too good is something like gold, which a lot of the time just grinds away, grinds away, grinds away. If you're getting in, man, you're sitting, what's this, February, March, April, before you get a push down, you're in it for months, right? And then it just grinds away, grinds away. It's a trending instrument. Obviously, this would be decent for our strategy, this sort of shit here, but this doesn't really happen too often, you know? You look at trending instruments or stuff like look at this. It's just a big, these things are like designed to just go up. If you look at currencies, they're not particularly like that. I mean, that's a fucking terrible example, but this is a better example because you get actual market structure where it's boost, 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 boost. And in there, you get heaps of shit. You get heaps of trading opportunities. And yes, you get these squeezes. I mean, this is going back fucking 5 years. You get in squeezes, but you can get out of them a lot easier than if you're in trending instruments. For example, like look at this. This is over the last fucking year. We've just gone sideways for a year. Obviously, we've had this big dip, but that's the only shit we need to worry about is when stuff happens like this, but we can still scale in. Obviously, it would probably be a lot more. We'd probably be in like 5 or 6 positions, but we're eventually going to get out anyway. So, yeah, it's just these moves that you need to worry about, but that's why I have the mentorship. I've been through this multiple times. Big moves. They're not impossible to get out at because it's a mean reversion strategy. Always tends to come back to its mean. And yes, you do get some that, I mean, another example. This one's a bit different, pound yen, but this is why I don't have any yen pairs on. The only one is US dollar yen. And this is even risky, having US dollar yen on, but because you just get these massive fucking moves. But this is a daily chart. We don't trade the daily chart. We trade the hourly chart. But still, yen and Swiss pairs are a bit sketchy because they tend to be trending instruments. I mean, you look at the NASDAQ or some shit, you just get these big squeezes. It's just hard to get out. So works very well with Forex, not so well with trending instruments like indices or stocks. Works best with Forex on a little bit lower of a time frame. Explanation complete. Anthony, thank you very much for following me. I don't even know if I said that. The Fair King is at it again, making me swoon over his blindingly beautiful fair skin. What the fuck? Thank you very much. I appreciate that. What stock you watching? None. I don't do stocks. Does it work with MetaTrader 4 or 5? MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 5 sucks. Is 5,000 Australian dollars enough to use the bot? Absolutely. Yeah. Speedy's in here. He uses a lot less than that, and he's absolutely fucking killing it right now. Birchop with the tofu and the heart me. Thank you very much. Lots of gifts today. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate it a lot. So yeah, 5,000 is heaps, plenty. Do I recommend jumping in and putting your money in straight away? No. I think you should focus on education first, working with me for a little bit longer, and then jumping in and putting your money in, because you might make a few silly mistakes here and there, which you could prevent from happening if you focus on the education side of things first. Like, just if you've got 5K to spend on a trading account, do a $5,000 demo account for a month, 2 months. See how it goes. See how you like it. You need that time to try it before you just throw your money into a strategy. That's where everyone goes wrong. They get psychological barriers. You blow your accounts, all this shit from doing stupid stuff, and it will happen if you don't prepare yourself, which is why I should use a demo account for just a little bit of time. Unbanned already. I am Birchop. I am. One day. A heart puff. Thank you very much. A rose. Gifts all around today. I'm feeling the love. Another heart puff, another rose, another ice cream cone. Look at all the gifts. I should have had you when I was going to go do a battle earlier with fucking wherever Chill Whale went. He left. TikTok and a GG. GG Birdchop. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. What up, Sleepy? How are we? Good to see you back. Have you used Plus 500? That was the first broker I ever used, was Plus 500. And shit, I don't like it. Or platform I used. Thanks, Matt. Look in your Discord. All sweet, no stress. Look forward to working with you further. Just let me know if you jump in the Discord, like the free one or the mentorship, just let me know that that's you. That you're DJ Supreme. What's Aussie US dollar doing? Speedy. And take profit yet? Fuck, we broke that level. Wait, no. No, we didn't. We were sitting here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah, okay, so it was about here. That I was like, we might sit around here. I can read the market. Look at this bullshit. Doji, doji, doji. Bit of fucking price action. Gap fill. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. What platform is the best for demo trading? I use Blackbull Markets and MT4. It depends because you need further educate. Like, you need someone to help you trade. Otherwise, you're fucked. It is so hard to try and do it on your own. It is so hard. And I use this analogy a lot, and I'm going to use it again. Sorry if everyone else has heard it 300,000 times, but if you're this is what trading is like, right? If you're a fucking, oh, here we go. What is this shit? Trying to poach my members. Seems like. If you try and become let's say an electrician, right? You're trying to become an electrician and you try and do the education by yourself, right? You try and do a 4-year apprenticeship to become an electrician, and all you have is the internet. And you go on the internet and you search up how to change a light bulb, and there's 4 million options of how to change a light bulb, and the only sorry, fucking, where am I going with this? There's only 5% of the 4 million options that are telling the truth and are actually going to successfully teach you how to change a light bulb. Everyone else is a liar who's just trying to take your money. That's what it's like with trading. It's a fucking absolute minefield of fucking scam artists and shit, and it's so difficult. And I fell for the fucking trap ages ago. I spent money that I didn't need to, and did mentorships that I didn't need to on people that were flashing fucking all this bullshit, and it's not real. It's all fake. Bro, I basically blocked everyone that talk about trading as they just talk shit, being dishonest. It is. It's fucking horrendous. This whole industry's terrible. Phony. But this is one of the fakest fucking industries ever. Another industry that's absolutely fucking horrible is editing. When I was trying to find an editor, man, that industry is ruthless. It's not terrible. There are good mentors. Okay. There should be a link tree. Oh shit. So if you go here, there should be this link tree here. If you click on that, it should take you to, this is the mentorship. And then this is the free Discord. And then you click on that and it'll take you to the Discord. So let's launch mine. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Holy shit, Discord is popping off. Absolutely popping off. I love that. Good stuff. Well, might get a gap fill. That was probably a gap fill on other brokers and then push back down. Bearish engulfing happening right now. Would have been a rejection out of this too. Gap fill rejection, now we're coming back down. True, we might have a big, if we can get out of here, we got big space for the people in AU. Lots of room. We got lots of room. How about you get blocked? Yeah, Sleepy, what the fuck was that? Thanks, G, all good. Yeah. What chart is up? Aussie dollar, US dollar. There are certain people like Trading Pool that hate on everyone who is buying a nice car just because they can't themselves. He brags about buy a house. I mean, fuck. I don't know anything about Trading Pool. I don't know what you're even really talking about. Someone can buy a nice car, fucking good on them. It's just the difference is like if they're scamming people to do it, that's where I can appreciate the kind of fuck you mentality towards that stuff. God, it's crazy how like I went from not blocking a single person to like blocking everyone who I just fucking annoys me. I just don't care anymore. Like, fuck you. What sessions do you trade, bro? It's night for you. I trade all sessions. Doesn't matter. I'm just in all the time. Because I use a I use an EA to trade with, and so it's on all the time. So it doesn't really matter. When I'm trading the indices, that's when I trade London and then New York. Bro, what did I say? You said what the fuck? I don't know. What did you say? Stop swearing? Language? All-nighter for XRP holders, make or break at 8 a.m. today. I don't even know what's going on. What's going on with XRP? What's at 8 a.m.? I mean, depends what time it is for Jesus. But, I mean, there's not much crypto news that comes up here. Might get better. Well, yeah, what's going on, Jesus? What's that, tennis? What did I say? I don't know. What's the time for you? 7:54 p.m. Fucking hell, it's 8 o'clock already. Thomas Lacey, thank you very much for following. We got 14 people, 14 fucking followers this live. We take that. We take that. I don't want to look at. And you. Oh, it's H4. I was like, what the fuck? Keep an eye on this. Is a TJR bootcamp actually worth watching? Probably fucking not. I jumped on that shit because people would shut the fuck up about him. And I watched fucking something. And I don't even know, I clicked on like the first video and it was just him yapping half the time. And then I went fucking, I was like, alright, I'm gonna skip the fucking days and go into something. And it was just him yapping and I was like, fuck, what a waste of time. Plus it's just all overcomplicated smart money concepts bullshit that doesn't work. And anyone with a fucking brain knows that it doesn't work. A big deal going on with Circle being bought by either Ripple or Coinbase. Okay. Interesting. Why is that such a big deal though? Announcement is 8 a.m. Okay. Bro, do you think TJR is legit? Personally, I feel like he's more of a showman. I have that feeling too. He's a very good marketer. And he's obviously a very business-minded person. Bro, he charges like thousands of dollars for his fucking course and all that shit. The majority of his money he'd make from that. I don't think he'd make that much from trading, to be completely honest. But he's entertaining. I know that. Best place to start and learn, my Discord. Watch the free video and then hit me up with any questions you want. You can also do the Baby Pips course as well. Takes a long time though. But jump in free Discord. I have a mentorship obviously because can't do everything for free. I'm currently working on a masterclass for the mentorship guys. So far, I have 34 fucking slides. 34 slides. Look at this shit. 34 slides so far of just everything. It's gonna be so fucking in-depth. Like, oh my god. Filming will commence within the week, and it's gonna be very, very, very in-depth. So I'm probably gonna, instead of doing the whole mentorship 2.0 fucking all this bullshit, I'm just gonna pump it out to those guys and fucking whoever misses that, unlucky, because this is like some of the best knowledge you're ever gonna get about fucking trading, and the most non-bullshit, real trading explanations. We're almost 30 people in here, and I'm gonna flare right now, so we're gonna get a shitload more. Let's fucking go. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty hectic. That new masterclass, that's gonna be absolutely fucking insane. So if you're not in the mentorship, get the fuck in there, because it's not gonna be around. It's gonna be around forever, but I'm limiting the amount of people that get in there, so as I can do one-on-ones with people and still tailor it to everyone's needs. Bit of a plug. I don't think I've ever plugged myself like that, but yeah, there you go. That's what I thought. What do, you weapon? I fuck. Lucas? What up? Have you seen Bitcoin? I have not. Holy shit. Oh! There you go. There you fucking go. Well, that would have been a good investment, leveraged. Here come all the fucking crypto bros again. Oops. What was I looking at? And you. TJR is legit. He's a great entertainer and marketer, but he also trades live, you know. Yeah. Fair enough. I just don't watch him. I don't know anything about him. Or PE trading, all of them. TGR's best month was 160k, but it was high risk month for him, multiple accounts. I'm sure, but 160k to him is probably absolutely fuck all, because he makes so much from his courses and all that shit. His fucking $3,000, $5,000 fucking course. And he probably has a million other investments too. He's not dumb. Interesting. Ole, followed. Thank you very much. Indrajith. Thank you very much for following. Bitcoin is at an all-time high. It is. Very interesting. But, you never know. The hype is there for it. Actually, that's a lie. The hype isn't there for it right now. So when it does start to hype, could pop. Could proper pop. And it might, because you'll see lots of FOMO. You'll see lots of FOMO coming in. Where's ETH at? I told fucking everyone to buy ETH. Well, not financial advice, but I said if you buy anything, buy ETH. I haven't looked at it in fucking forever, so I know it's its own. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, well, you would have made a bit from there. If we get to all-time highs on ETH, and you bought when I suggested, you're gonna be fucking chilling. Fuck my throat. Holy shit. Meeksy, Fluffy Penguin, you're awesome. What the fuck? So many gifts today. Thank you so much, Meeksy. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. He also has some money in crypto, but I don't know how often he takes profit. Yeah. I don't know when people understand there is not a course worth thousands. Yeah, there isn't. Nope. Fucking hell. Crypto Commentary was talking about the Bitcoin jump this morning on his live. I don't even know who that is. Almost 60% in the last year for Bitcoin. Like, insane. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Forex over crypto. Yep. I agree. Pause. Futures equals scam. Why do you say that, Sleepy? $3,000 course or $300,000 student debt? Oh, I'll be back. I think I haven't had enough caffeine. I can see where you come from, Jesus, but alright. I feel like university or whatever is a 4-year. It depends what you do. 4-year, 5-year, 6-year. College or whatever. It's a lot different to, doing a fucking course that took, a month or two to get together. And university's worth it for a lot of things. Fuck. Sorry, my fucking throat is cooked. My chest is real fucked right now. I think I need another ciggy. Bro, if you notice real money in future, you need inside info. Never trade futures. I don't like how they expire and shit. It's like, get the fuck out of here. Majority of people would never know what it's based on, probably. Paul Nee, thank you very much for following. When the price goes up and down. Where'd you learn to trade? I learned from multiple different spots. Like heaps of different places. All over the fucking place. All over the place. But I had one mentor that was like, who taught me a lot of all the non-bullshit stuff, and then I went out on my own and did a bit more further education, but he did a shitload for me. And now I'm here, and I have done all the research and have the ability to be able to sell on my information and give it out for free because I like helping people because I've done years and years and years and years of research, testing, losses, mistakes, all that shit. My favorite black trader, thank you. I'm literally the polar opposite. I believe at least with Forex you can see Powell is talking and getting some ideas. Yeah, that's true. Yep. Whiskey and honey, good for chesty cough, congestion. Whiskey, what? Please. What about vodka? I'd rather scale my way up to a $300,000 business. Yeah, I mean, yeah. And you just have the entrepreneurial mindset. Some people don't, and some people are comfortable with becoming a doctor and or becoming a nurse or, doing some shit like that, becoming an engineer. Those are the sorts of things that I feel, in my opinion, is worth. Fuck. fuck, worth a degree. But that's not me. Fuck that. I don't want to work a job. And I don't think I will work a job ever again in my life. Ever again. Any signal. I don't do signals. Signals are scams. 10k in XRP. What, you want to put 10k in XRP? Maybe. I don't know. Talk to Jesus. He or she? Is this a guy or a girl? A guy, I believe. But has like Kim Kardashian as his fucking picture. Hustler Shop followed, thank you very much. Enough to make a bit of cash. I want to start. Good. Join Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Ask me any questions. Free Discord. And Bird Chop, sorry, thank you for the tofu. I think I fucking missed that earlier. I don't know if you're still in here, but thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I need these filled. When does this finish? When does this gift gallery finish? I need to keep this up here. And you motherfuckers gotta fill it. It's the only time I'll ever ask for a gift ever in my life. I'm currently a firefighter for a private contractor. The owners make 3.5 a year. Fuck, that's pretty good. And good job for, you know, doing that shit. It's not easy. Gotta respect the people that do that. So, good job. How much do these fucking hand hearts cost? Are they expensive? Or hearts? Someone tell me, how much are these worth in coins? The hearts and the hand hearts. What do they cost? I don't know how to fucking check this shit. Yeah, I don't know. And thank you for following me, Jesus, as well. TikTok, thank you, Meezy, for the TikTok. How much? Oh, you'll be here, too. Oh, no, you know what the fuck. Oh, probably because I did it more. Hand hard. Oh, shit. Okay, well, I'm not going to ask for that. How many are these? The hearts? Bro, I feel like making 2-3k per month from trading and also having a normal job is way better. Or just making enough to supplement your income trading and not having to work ever again. But yeah, you are right. Then have to go to uni for 10 years. Yeah, no, absolutely correct. I agree. Fuck that. But it really depends, you know, like people have different mindsets. We all in here probably have, and if you're in here, you probably have the entrepreneurial mindset where you don't want to be sitting at a fucking desk for working a job for the rest of your fucking life. And, yeah. 2 to 3k passive income is amazing. Some people enjoy working. I can't imagine no job entirely. Oh, no job entirely is fucking amazing. I don't consider this a job, what I do. It doesn't feel like it. And I guess maybe it is, but it just doesn't feel like it. A heart puff from Meezy. Thank you very much. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna look up how much these hearts are. I'll just gift them to myself. Because I want this filled. What the fuck? Okay, I can't watch live streams right now, apparently. Okay. Gift. Jesus Christ, 100? for hand hearts. And the hearts are 200? Oh, fuck. We're never getting that. Might as well turn that one off. They're 200. Hi, can you teach me, bro? Absolutely. I have a mentorship and I have a free Discord. The links are in my bio. I'm here to help. Go watch if you're brand new, go watch the free course video. It's just on the introduction to trading. The beautiful thing is about trading is when you master it, you're set for life. Yeah. The thing is you need to be able to adapt to the market when conditions change. You really need to. I've had to change a lot of shit recently. Because the markets are just so fucked. They're just so fucked right now. So yeah, I mean that's true. Yeah, it is a good skill set to have. I really enjoy the firefighting and see myself in it in 10 years after planning on being a fire instructor. Good then. Yeah, I mean if you can do both, absolutely. That's fucking awesome. So Tom, when are you getting a Lambo? I'm kind of, I think, yeah, he wants a McLaren. Yeah, I'm kind of... Lambo's just so expensive right now. And I do really like McLarens. So, we'll see. I actually went to the Lamborghini store today. Because I always fucking, it's like around the corner. I just walked there after the gym and fucking had a look. And then there was a guy on a Liberty Walk 488 GTB. It was fucking sick. And he boosted off up the fucking street. I was like, holy shit! But yeah, Tom gonna, what about me? How long does the baby pips take to do? It took me like fucking 2 months or some shit, like around there. It took me so fucking long. Took me a long time. But fuck. But it's worth it and it's not worth it. Like there's a lot of shit in there that you really just don't need to know. There's a lot of bullshit. But it's just very in-depth. But it takes fucking ages. It is really long. $500,000, peanuts for you. There's still a lot of money. Don't forget you still owe me 1.3 million. Yeah, I'll get it to you eventually. App, MT4. It's MT4. This is XRP. Why are we looking at XRP? I want to be looking at this. I don't want to be fucking sitting in this for ages. I really don't. I really fucking don't. I have to hope for some positive US news and try and get down here, but fuck, if we just flop around here, I guess I can just take profit, whatever, and pay a little bit of swap fees. That's fine. Fucking VPSs, man, so slow. Fuck. Sorry about my chest, guys, as well. It's fucking cooked. Kasem has had Porsche, Chasm, I don't know who or what that is, has had Porsche, McLaren, Lambos. He says McLaren's a piece of shit. Oh, they're terrible cars, yeah. They break all the time. But I like them. Look at the beautiful gold. I don't know what we're talking about. Do you think we are close to the top because there are so many guys like you who are just starting? What? Is that like a troll comment? Yeah, it's gotta be. I don't even know what that even means though. Damn, your chart looks messy. All this stuff means something to me. And it's not, it's last week's high, last week's low, yesterday's low, yesterday's high, and then I got 1, 2, 3 gaps or fair value gaps for all the fucking ICT traders. And then these are just the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. RSI. It's actually not that messy. Like at all. And a moving average. It's actually pretty simple. Very simple. Thoughts on traders with 20 screens? Oh, it's a bit ridiculous. I mean, yeah, me personally, I can't see any use for it. I got 2, and the only reason I'd need 3 is if I had one on top for chat and shit. But this is I mean, I've got 3. I've got another one sitting right there, but I just can't get it to fit because this is a 32, and I just can't get this one on top. I bought a fucking monitor arm, but it doesn't fit on top. Which is annoying. What's the best app for trading? Well, I mean, what do you mean? Like, I use MT4. I think 3 screens max is fine. Yeah, 3's fine, yeah. Trading against supercomputers with low latency. That is true. That's why I don't 1 minute scalp. Top 1% for a reason. Top 1% are not on TikTok. Is this guy... Yeah, okay. I don't trade options. Fake account. I don't care anymore. I literally don't care. I'm blocking everyone. He's just here to talk shit. Yeah, Jesus, don't even bother. Boys, never compare your strategy with others. It will mess your brain. Absolutely. That's true. Yeah. You see the market through your own lens. Are you selling or buying? What? Dang. Thank you very much for the heart me as well. I appreciate it. This fucking guy, man. Taxman, FX Trader 030. Thank you very much for following. Real traders have at least 52 screens. Yeah, I need my entire apartment needs to be screens. How good have I been getting though, Sleepy? I don't know if you've been around, but I get so many people in here talking shit. And it's very, like, if someone has constructive criticism or like wants to actually, you know, debate or whatever, sure. But it was a fake profile, 0 followers, 0 following, just here to talk shit. It's like, I'm just not doing it anymore. I used to, but my patience has run thin for those sorts of people. So, I just block. Is the liquid? At least 100. Yep. We need them screens. Don't let them get in your head. I literally don't. It's just, I went from like people, you know, the internet's a weird thing because I haven't been on social media for very long, and in real life, it's, you know, it's a lot different, and you know, people aren't gonna say that because you run the risk of getting hurt. So yeah, you know, people just don't. The internet's just a shithole, toxic environment. Fuck, where'd that just drop to? God damn it. Meow. Oh, there you are. Oh! Oh! My neighbor's probably like, what the fuck? Nah, no one gets in my head, ever, especially not on the internet. No fucking way. Unless there's somebody that's like really stupid. It's like, I don't pay taxes, bro. I don't know the IRC. We respect you. Thank you, Sleepy. I appreciate that. Father, you're great. Ignore the haters. You put up with me. Yeah. Nah, I don't give a fuck. I personally don't watch anyone who I'm not interested or dislike neither. I just like, I don't know. But some people just, I don't know. Time I've been trying to trade off emotions. I think it's yes. Yes. But for reals, everyone sees different things. That's how you craft your own unique market view. Absolutely. Very true. You're learning quickly with social media. Thank you, Michelle. I am. I mean, you've been here pretty much since the start. You've probably seen that I'm getting better. You going out? Me? Nope. I'm taking the whole fucking weekend off. No carry on, no drinking, nothing. Chill weekend. And fucking, yeah, nothing, very quiet weekend this weekend. Last weekend was just probably the stories I could say. I'd get suspended. So you're gonna trade live? Me? I'm in trades. Like because I use a bot, I don't get in and out of anything. And it takes time for me to get into positions. Like I've been in this for, you know, an entire day. And I will, you know, I'm in plenty of fucking positions. Here's another one that I've been in for, how long have I been in this for? I've been in this for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. I don't sit here and time the market, because that's how you fail, is try and time the market. You can't time it. You can be right a couple of times, but you're gonna be wrong a lot of times. Doesn't matter when I get in. Well, it does, obviously. I wait for exhaustion in the market before I get in, but yeah, I don't sit here and fucking try and scalp. On the indices, yeah, but I still have a bot that gets me in on the indices. Very rarely do I hit buy or sell. Do you enter now? What? Time to trade in the 60s window. 60-second window? But, excuse me, what's your yearly income out of normal friendly curiosity? That's funny. So far, I haven't seen anything negative from you, brother. Thank you. Just here to help. Have a nice, fun, and educational community. No boring shit. We have some fun. I'm glad I don't have like 5 million fucking followers. I don't need that shit. A little bit more. I would like to be at like kind of 10K, have like 1,000 people in the Discord, you know, conversations flowing and all that shit, but I don't particularly really want like a massive, massive community. If it happens, it happens, but it's not really what I'm looking for. Good boy, thank you. Stay like that. I will. Well, I've been offered like I've gotten so many offers to sell out, and I just won't do it. On paper, 100 thou and some unaccounted for funds on the side. Hey man, I'm thinking of starting trading long-term investing. What broker would you recommend? Black Bull Markets if you're in Australia, 100%. Use your own capital if it's long-term. Yeah, don't do prop firm bullshit. Would you like to get... Oh, I mean, I wouldn't do... Even if it's short, like short-term trading, day trading, use your own capital. Would you like to get drinks with my friends who aren't ATO agents? Very nice, very nice. Just make sure to speak clearly into my microphone. What microphone? What are you talking about? I'll eat that microphone. That's funny as fuck. Tie the fan base, the better, less bullshit. Yeah, 100%. Can I buy your trading course? Yes. It's a mentorship, so it comes with me attached to it. So it's not just some fucking course or PDF that you watch. Course that you watch or PDF. Obviously, there is educational videos in there, but yeah, you want to be talking to me and using me as much as possible. Like, you pay, you get me. Got to sign off now. Have a good night. See you next time. See you later, Migsy. Thank you very much for all the likes. I think they're starting to cap people's likes again. Oh no, you got 5.3. Fucking hell. Thank you very much. Top liker. I appreciate that a lot. And thank you for the gifts as well. That was fucking super nice of you. So thank you and you have a good night. Thanks for tuning in. People, you will lose money with prop firms. Don't do it. Save the money and put aside for a live account. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. 100 fucking %. Thanks for the chat, bros. Me and my gastro are back to working from home. Oh, that's super unlucky. I hope you feel better. Get better soon. Take it easy. Fuck the work off if you need to. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you next time. Fuck, we're kind of dying down a little bit. I'm gonna go piss. I'll be back. Throw some questions. Give me some questions. Give me some random shit. I kind of feel like talking about some random shit. I'll be back. Holy fuck, it's cold. It's cold as fuck in here. Oh, I've been working. Oh, Jesus Christ. So I need to actually do some before I go to bed. See, bro. All sweet. Take it easy. These hours on a Thursday are usually low. Got the most viewers on Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Really? True. Usually Fridays are trash for me. Saturdays, I don't think I've ever streamed on a Saturday. And Sunday, I do stream sometimes on Sunday. Best way to test our strategy for other markets, backtest. Just backtest. Buy some data or get Tick Data Suite. Tick Data Suite. You can do a fucking 2-week free trial. You can get like, I don't even know, it's like 10, 15, 20 years worth of data and backtest it. Just download it and backtest it. And you get a free 2-week trial. It's as easy as that. Backtesting time, yeah. When is the best time usually to trade in 24-hour period? The more volume, the better. And the more volatility, the better as well. So I would suggest like New York Open. Depends what your strategy is though, but New York Open usually has the most volatility and can yield you the most amount of money with like a sort of like a high risk, high reward strategy. That's probably what I would suggest. If it's the best time in a 24-hour period, it'd probably just be New York Open. How's one get into trading? Start educating yourself. It's all education. Educate, educate, educate. Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. It's free. There's a free course. You can get started straight away. Usually better to trade a particular market than the 24-hour. I don't know why, to be honest. Yeah, it's true. I used to go live with my boys and it's mainly bored and lonely college girls. Jesus. Are you American? Thoughts on focusing on one market or multiple? Great question. What I would suggest is multiple, and the reason for that is because so you're going to, no matter what strategy you use, there is going to be like literally there is not one strategy that's 100%, right? And when markets change, your strategy, no matter what strategy you use, will have a stagnation period. You'll go on like a losing streak. This is why I have two strategies. I trade Forex and indices, right? So that's also why I trade multiple pairs, right? So if I only traded Aussie dollar, US dollar, let's say for example, because we had a lot of that today, I'm only exposed to one pair, you know? I have to make it work on that one pair. I trade up to 28 different pairs at a time. I've got about 20 running at the moment. I have that much exposure that even though I'm risking such a little amount per trade, which is why I trade 28 different pairs, if one market, you could say, or one pair isn't working, there's definitely going to be another one of the fucking 20s that is going to work, and I'm not overexposing myself because I'm using such little risk. Plus, and even if the markets are changing like crazy and I'm having a stagnation period, which happens with every strategy, if I'm having a stagnation period, I've got the indices. And when the indices are working, maybe the Forex is working also. And then maybe if the Forex isn't working, then there's a very high chance that the indices is going to be killing it. Vice versa, you know what I mean? So it's very good to have a diversification of trading strategies, portfolios, markets that you're actually trading, so that you you know, if one thing's not working or you're having a stagnation period, which is going to happen with every single fucking strategy ever. That's why I see people that trade one thing and one thing only and only target, you know, 50 pips here. I've got a 50 pip fucking take profit and a 20 pip stop loss. Okay, what if the average daily range for that particular instrument over the past 2 weeks has been 20 pips, right? So if 20 pips away, let's just say, so it's 200 points. So let's say that's the maximum average daily, or that's 100% of the average daily range that we have calculated for the last 2 weeks. But for the last 2 years, I've done a 20 pip stop loss and a 50 pip take profit. The chances of getting to a fucking 50 pip take profit is so slim. That's why I don't like pips and all that bullshit and fucking stop losses and it's all garbage. But I mean, there are some strategies that you can make with a stop loss, but psychology usually fucks the majority of people because you go on losing streaks frequently with stop loss strategies. And a lot of the stop loss strategies were developed and a lot of the indicators were developed around stocks because stocks have been around a lot longer than Forex and shit. So a lot of people base and use old strategies on, you know, Forex and shit, and they do this pip bullshit and everything. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Mad, whereabouts in America are you from? Your particular audience to reach would be Friday, Saturday? Really? I'll give it a crack. Educate, but also take action. Absolutely. So many people want to know everything before starting. You never will know everything. Yeah, absolutely. Just take action. Trade, backtest usually takes time. That is very true. Unless you can adopt yourself daily. I don't know what that means. For every action, there's an equal reaction. Find the stock hoarding the volume. Yep. I don't believe in stop loss, neither do I. I fucking hate stop losses. It's a way to get your money. It is. And I touch on this in this new masterclass, is banks can't generate, they have to generate the liquidity. Like, say they have $300 million worth of orders that they need to put through the market because some fucking Amazon in Great Britain needs to fucking send huge invoices to the US or some shit, let's just say, for example. They can't just sell all this fucking pound. They need to find the liquidity to be generated. They need to find enough buyers for their volume. Hard to explain, but I do a whole thing in the fucking masterclass. But it's a little bit complicated. But you got to be sure about your strategy for other. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, you can't just go no stop loss with a 2% risk, blow your account within fucking 3 seconds. What, do you just use a mental stop loss then? No. What? No. I scale into my positions. I only risk 0.1 to 0.25% per trade. Is Forex a scam? No. I mean, anything is a scam if you fall for it, but nah. You will lose. Not necessarily. If you don't know what you're doing, yeah. Are you a millionaire? Not yet. Why do people lose more than they win? Because they don't know what they're doing. I don't lose more than I win. It's not crypto, boys. Yeah. Coco followed. Thank you very much. In simple words, yeah. Lol, ask me anything, but will not answer anything. What the fuck are you talking about? Crypto taught me to never panic sell. It's always panic time. They can see your stop on the other side. No, they can't. People lose more than they win because they don't backtest. It's true. I have spent, I couldn't even fucking tell you the amount of hours that I've done backtesting. Like, it would be like actual physical months of backtesting. Best strategy for you trading futures or options? Neither. CFDs. Best strategy for crypto is holding, and that's it. Yeah, pretty much. Can you show an example of a trade you would take? Yeah, show you a rough example. I can show you trades that I'm in. Yes, they can. They can see stop loss on the ASX anyway. We don't trade the ASX over here. And I don't think they can. Hold. Yep. Let's just say, for an example, this isn't exactly a trade that I would take, but if I was trading extremely aggressively, I'd wait for a large extension in the market. I'd wait for a small pullback, which we have not gotten in yet. We'd wait for a little pullback up here. Enter in 0.1. I use EAs, so this is all done automatically for me, right? And I'm not going to give away my entire fucking strategy. That's why I have a mentorship. I need to have some selling points. You know what I mean? I wait for an extension on the market, which indicates exhaustion. When institutions are buying or selling, they have to turn into buyers. So what happens? Market's going to retrace. It's going to come back up. That's why Forex reverts back to its mean. We use a mean reversion strategy, which is unconventional to most people, and people don't really understand it, but that's okay. But we wait for confirmation to get in, and then my EA that I developed will put in a buy position here at 0.1% of my account size. If it continues to go down, I don't give a shit. If we get, you know, a little pull up here, and then we drop back down, I have specific criteria that will enter me into a different trade, into another trade, at a 1.3 times multiplier. That's just my personal preference, is 1.3. And then we get me in another buy. That puts our break even down to about here. And then again, specific criteria for my take profit levels. Where that'll be depends on certain factors in the market. If it continues to go down, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm only using 0.1 to 0.25% of my account. It's fuck all risk. Get in again. Hey, look, my break even's here. Oh, now we're having our reversal. Now institutions are starting to take profit, right? Turning into buyers. Boom, we're up here. We're now in profit. Oh my God, profit, profit, profit. Maybe our target has already been hit. I don't know, it depends. And then, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, not really, but yeah. I don't even know if that guy's still in here, and it seemed like he kind of wasn't being particularly nice, so we'll see what shit he has to talk if he talks. See you later, Sleepy. Take it easy. Have a good one. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for talking shit. I appreciate that. And I'll see you tomorrow, most likely. What is your recommended pair for a small account? I'd probably use, for a super small account, I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, Depends how small the account is. I'd just try and build the account and trade Forex. Like, fucking work more at your job. Some shit. But if not, you could try the indices. Like a opening range breakout. You can go pretty risky, or you can use pretty much any pair. Euro USD. That is the most volume going through it every day. Fuck, where was I? They can, you know, the dice are loaded, mate. Okay. Drop the price till your stop loss hits, then price goes back up. It always happens. That's why I don't use one. Abdel Rahman, thank you very much for following. Do I short? Yeah. Buy the dip, but it keeps dipping. Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Been working well for me, yeah. Visionary AI Reels, aka Speedy, he's fucking killing it right now. He's got the bot working for him. He's doing well. Liquid, yes, head. If you want to get in cheap, let me know. I will buy and it will tank. Then you buy. Okay. What are you in? I'm in heaps of shit right now. Clip flip followed. Thank you very much. My portfolio is up. I'll risk it all. Behind fear is the money. Jesus. MDSI, thank you very much for following. Buy the fear, sell the greed. I mean, yeah. That's kind of true. That XRP short though. Is it crashing? I don't know, what are we looking at, 1 minute time frame or some shit? I don't know. It's hard to know that shit. I want it to be, Tom, I forgot you asked where I'm at. I'm in Central California. True, I might be coming to Cali soon. Shorting crypto is risky, but it genuinely works. Yeah, fuck that. Like Bitcoin, short Bitcoin now. Everybody's gonna be FOMOing in, and then all the people that are gonna take profit are just gonna it'll crash again. Shorting Bitcoin now is a fantastic idea, but now that it's up, everybody's like, oh, I gotta buy. It's like, no, you gotta short. That's what I'd do. Fuck, our music disappeared. How have we been on? Now 48. Oh shit. Yeah, okay. It will crash with tariff news in 1.5 months, probably. I can't wait to throw 35k into my portfolio when it dips. Yeah, because it'll come back up. But why don't you throw 35k in there and sell? And then catch that fucking move. That'd be ideal. What do we need? What else do we need? Fuck, there's no way we hit any of this shit today. 800 diamonds, not gonna happen. What have we got? 200. Nah, no way I get 600. 500 comments, won't happen either. I'm about to jump off. Abdi Aziz, thank you very much for following me. What's the most you lost in a day? It was a lot, and it was a fuck up. It was a fuck up. It wasn't meant to happen. I had pending orders that I didn't take off. They were meant to be cancelled, but they weren't cancelled, and then the market absolutely fucking crashed. And I didn't see it for like 4 hours, and I was like, oh my God. It was not fun. I do regret Quantum D Wave. It did 40% the other day and I sold 10. Jesus. Is it $20 a trade fee from the platform you're using? No. Jesus is the way. Please believe in him and repent and obey him to have eternal life in heaven. Okay, we don't do religion in here just because, you know, conflicts or whatever. But sure, thank you. I lost 74k. Jesus fucking Christ. Wasn't that much. Mine wasn't. That's a fucking... That'd hurt. I would cry. Yeah, fuck me. How'd you manage that? That's criminal. Check. Bzz. Holy fuck, the Discord was absolutely popping off. How many people joined today? If anyone's in here and they're not in the Discord, you suck. Literally one person joined today. What the actual fuck? But I had like 30 people ask me and tell me they're gonna join. That's the thing. It's like, what? Makes no sense. Alrighty, what is she saying? China and France to jointly safeguard United Nations authority and status. Iran vows devastating response to any stupidity by Israel. Oh dear Lord, please don't let that actually fucking happen. Iran, don't expect a nuclear deal until enrichment issue resolved. Holy fucking shit, this could be a nightmare. Fuck me. I lost 20k to a lawsuit, never a trade. Oh, rip. Melody risked 80% of his account, yeah. Because I thought the ASX and ASIC had laws company had to obey, but no. What do you mean by that? I don't have Discord, too many crypto panic sellers. Yeah, I know. I'm literally in fucking no... I'm not in any fucking groups. I'm in mine, and mine only. How defamation, all eggs in one basket. I crashed into a city pole, oh rip. Got a mate to watch the free vid in Discord and he's keen to sign up, mad. He also commented on the energy. On the energy? What? Wait, did you message me? Oh, that's funny. I didn't see your comment, Speedy. You in here? Yeah, I didn't see your comment. Did it even fucking come through? It mustn't have. But yeah, cheers for doing that. And you sorted out all the, like, your affiliate link shit, eh? Oh, you must have sneezed. Aika, thank you very much for following. Company announced they were making $1 million. They didn't announce they weren't. Okay. My energy in the fucking first video was atrocious. I tried to slow it down so much in the beginner's one, and fuck me, I can't even watch it back. I was so boring. But that's one thing that, you know, you, and not only you, but a few of the other guys that I've spoken to in the VIP I've spoken to, and they're like, man, like, You need to slow the fuck down. I was like, right. So the next video, I'm scared of how long it's going to take because I'm going to try and slow it down for the educating parts. But fuck me, I'm trying to keep the slides to a minimum. I'm at fucking 34. I'm at 34 already, as you can see. And I just think that it's going to go for fucking ever. And so I'm trying to streamline it. Fucking hell. Like, fuck. But I want to pretty much put like the majority of my knowledge, or no, I mean, I'm not going to get all my knowledge, but just try to leave no stones or very limited stones unturned. You know what I mean? That's the saying, I think. Leave no stones unturned. Yeah. I slept, pooped, and are in the forest for a whole month to make... What the fuck? That should be legal. If Trump does the no tax on overtime, I'll be rich. Yeah, true. Yeah. Has that not come into play? I remember seeing some shit about it. Obviously, I'm not in the US. Yeah, man, he will use it. He's just on the lookout for a laptop. Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, you should probably do that first. Good old Trump. Yeah. No, man, keep the energy. That's what drew me in. Yeah, I think it's what it draws a lot of people in. But obviously, when I'm trying to, you know, be a little bit more educational, you kind of have to like slow down the videos for it to put it on like 0.75 speed, so as people can actually understand what I'm talking about. I like him because he's not pretending he's a multi-millionaire. Me? Yeah, no, I don't do that shit. I fucking hate that shit. Like I'm doing good, you know, I'm doing good, but man, this is what you gotta do when you fucking trade. You gotta sit in front of your computer. You gotta be awake late at night for US sessions and all that shit. You can do it a little bit differently, but yeah. That's what this whole, it's just keeping it real. This whole community that I'm building is just keeping it real, honest. No fucking fake, phony bullshit. And even if, like even if I go fucking down to the Goldie and go fucking rent a Lambo for the weekend, I don't give a shit. I'm going to tell you, hey, I got Lambo for the weekend because I want to go drive around. You know what I mean? But I'm just a human like everyone else. That's my president, man. I like him. Oh, yep. It was presented to Congress and all that about 5 days. Oh, okay, nice. Hopefully it'll pass. What will go up or down a company? But hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you too. What language is that? Is that like Thai or some shit? Can't see. Nice to meet you though. I like how you're genuine, bro. Thank you. Most people would rent a Lambo and sell a course. It's easy to fake. Oh man, I had before I started doing this shit, you know, I was pretty new to social media and I was like, do I just, I know that that's going to sell. And I was like, do I do it? Like I had the thought, I was like, do I just do that? And I was like, nah, I just can't. I couldn't morally, I would not be able to take it. I just wouldn't be able to. It's just so disingenuous. I literally could not fucking... But the thought comes into your mind, you know, because everyone's trying to make money and shit. And, you know, I get these offers from crypto exchanges and fucking brokers and all this bullshit. And my broker doesn't pay me fucking anything for my affiliate. People have signed up. I've received $0. And, you know, I get these offers and it's just, the thought goes through your mind. You're tempted to do that sort of shit, but you just can't. And that's why you see probably a lot of weaker people selling out and taking these fucking offers. And then later down the track, you know, it's good up front, but later down the track, that's where it bites you in the ass. Not doing it. I'm not doing it. My paycheck will go up. Mad. You from Brisbane? Yeah. Brizzy. Thank you for following. That's what I just said. I get paid 100 hours a week, so no tax. Jesus. Fucking hell. I've already said that. Yeah. Tax doesn't apply to me. Scroll up. It's not there. You're lying. Bias on what? I'm about to jump off. We hit 2 hours. We got 28k likes. Plenty of people jumping in, supporting, talking shit. I appreciate that all. I do have quite a few things to do though, so I might have to boost. Caffeinate and Niconate and get to fucking work. I'll be working late tonight, very late. Thomas Base, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. What broker are you using? Blackbull Markets. This is the thing, right? So there is like no broker that's regulated like Blackbull that you can use in Australia that gives you enough leverage to be usable. And I get dick. Like the affiliate shit would be fucking nice and I could make bank on different different brokers, but I'm just not going to use them because Blackbull Markets is so much more superior to them. And they know that, so their affiliate shit sucks. But it's whatever. I don't really do that shit for the money. But yeah. See Cuzzy, thank you very much for following as well. Or Cuzzy. Good night, bro. Have fun with that. Nap time, then 6 a.m. market open. For you, fucking hell. What time is it for you? If you're PST... 4 a.m. Yeah, fucking hell. Jesus. That's rough. Yeah, fucking hell. Good luck. Good luck. Alrighty, guys. Have a good night. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 5:45. We didn't get suspended. Thank God. We didn't get suspended. Trading New York is tricky in Brisbane? No, it's not. Just do what I do and go to sleep at 6 a.m. every morning. You'll be right. But I do this for a living, so I can do that.